Hey guys, so
Hey.
we are here in my room again, and we're not dancing this time, surprisingly.
Sad.
But we
We're-
should probably have music playing.
Yeah.
Get your thing.
Okay.
Okay.
But we're gonna give Becca, which is that chick,
That one,
a blind makeover.
our
I've
other
been
friend,
demoted.
our other friend, and we're gonna be blindfolded.
You
I've got my Glee shirt.
I got this thing.
Smells like really bad.
Those are all my songs.
But yes, it'll be fun.
I don't have any songs.
All right,
Those people
so
listen to. So
we are starting with tonight.
Yes.
Tonight.
So me and Hannah are gonna blindfold ourselves.
Yes. And this is my makeup and body spray. Yep.
and lotion.
And we have popcorn from the movie theater,
I brought it.
which is amazing.
Alright, I can't see anything.
Oh wait, my turn.
My fingers are going up.
I don't know.
Yeah.
10,
25.
15.
Is there
Did
glasses?
toes count?
Wait, should we do hold on.
Start?
Monica, no. Should I do
Ooh, what's this?
wait,
Ooh.
should I
Oh my gosh, that's nail polish. Bring it down.
wait, where is it?
I put it away.
Ooh, how do I? Oh. That's lotion. What's this? What is this?
Wait, stop.
You have to tell me what things are.
What are we doing
That's-
first?
That's
Should we
blush, I guess.
Oh my gosh, put that away too. Wait. No, not. wait, okay.
We gotta start.
Stop. We need to start with makeup, with foundation.
Where is it?
It's I'm holding it. It's
No.
really powdered. Okay, let me do it.
No.
Okay, wait, we have to get the makeup.
I call it using this.
Alright, hold on, I'll give it to you. Let me
There's
just
nothing on there.
I don't care.
Alright. Okay, put it on your face. Here. Wait.
Where's your face?
Wait. wait. Here's this. Wait, no, not
Hannah, are you blindfolded?
This.
Yes,
Yeah.
I'm blindfolded.
Hold
Are you
it.
serious?
Put it on her face.
She's good at this.
Where's your
Becca,
face?
where's your face? You have to guide me.
Put it all over. Now, wait. It smells bad. Where's your face?
Wait, what's this thing, Becca?
That's I think it's I can't see. Just rubbing something on my face. I think that's eyeshadow.
Okay, close your eyes.
Okay.
Wait, don't do eyeshadow yet.
Why?
Let's do concealer.
Oh my gosh, I'm scared.
What's
I'm just
this?
kidding, we don't have to do concealer.
Becca?
Where's your face? Where's-
Oh, we're not gonna use that. That's nail polish.
I could totally do good nails.
You can't wipe
Ooh.
anything off. Where's
I'm
your
not.
face?
Right? Okay.
Oh, Becca, is this eyeliner?
Yeah, we're not using that either.
No, but Hannah, she won't let me use
You're
eyeliner.
not allowed to.
Why?
Because you're gonna. Wait, no, we should use eyeliner.
Oh my gosh, yeah.
Fine.
Where's the eyeliner?
Right here.
Alright, okay, I get to do it.
Okay.
Where's the
Vina,
thing?
do you have, wait. Where is that? Do you have makeup remover?
Yes.
Okay.
Well, wait,
Close your
Micah,
eyes.
that's not a pencil. It is a felt tip like pen thing.
What? I don't know what that means. Okay, where's your
It's
eye?
like a marker.
So?
Uh,
Wait, okay, just push my thumb where your eye is.
Just close your eyes.
And then I'll figure it out.
Just close your eyes, Becca.
what's my eyebrow?
Don't tell her.
Alright, give me another eye.
My eyes hurt so bad. Okay, wait, I want to do blush. Wait, no, why? Wait, I want
Okay,
to.
can the camera see your face?
Yeah. I need a brush. Okay, I have to
Okay,
find
get
it.
down.
I have to find a brush. I don't think it's in here.
Oh wow, that's a great job.
Wait, is it in here?
Wait, what's this? Becca,
Wait,
what's
That's,
this?
I think that's. I think it's.
Where
No,
is it?
I think it's.
Where's our
It's right here,
eye?
right here.
Oh, this is blush.
That is blush.
Wait, let me.
Hannah, you can put some stuff on too.
Okay, I'll get her for a blush, and I have to find it. What is
Wait,
this?
is there mascara? Oh my gosh.
That's eyeliner.
Wait,
Wait,
what's
I have
this?
to find. Okay, I have to find this
What's
with my
this,
eyes
Becca?
closed.
No.
What do I have to find
It's
it?
bronzer.
Wait,
Ooh, can I put some of that
I
on?
gotta find it.
Here, I'll find the big puppy.
Guys, I don't know where it is.
What?
I'm trying to find a brush,
Brush.
like a makeup brush.
Like this one right here?
No, it's smaller for your eyes.
Wait, Becca,
Oh,
what's
for your
this?
eyes.
What's this?
That's
What?
eyeshadow.
What is this?
Ooh, can I put
That's-
some? Becca, can I put some eyeshadow
I'm
on?
not sure.
Oh my gosh, Becca.
It's probably something
Oh, this is
real-
mascara.
it's probably something really
Becca,
embarrassing.
Becca, can I put some eyeshadow on?
Sure.
Yay.
This
Okay.
is purple mascara. Who uses purple
Wait,
mascara?
I want to put on blush on her.
Okay, I'm putting on eyeshadow. Becca, close your eyes. Ready?
Wait, no, what color is it?
fine. Okay. Close your eyes.
No, use purple.
Yeah. Okay.
What
color
is
is
this?
this?
No,
That's
brown.
brown, dude.
Alright, ready?
Wait,
Other
use
eye.
the glittery stuff. This stuff. This is glittery.
That wasn't your eye. What's this? What color is
That's
this?
lighter brown.
Wait, where's your eye?
Monica.
Yeah.
Monica.
Yes.
You have to use the glittery kind.
Oh, glitter. Is this glitter?
No, wait, use purple. Purple or glitter?
Which color, Becca?
I don't care.
This color?
That's not color.
Where is it? I can't
that's-
find it.
Wait, use this purple.
Okay, ready,
Wait, that's
Becca?
not
Give
it.
me one of your eyes.
Use this. Use this, Monica.
Oh, yeah.
Wait, I want to put blush
This
on
is
it.
so fun.
Where's the
Becca, you
circle?
must be loving this.
Oh yeah.
Where's
I
the-
look hot.
Where's the brush? Oh, it's right here. Okay.
Where's the blush?
Can you open this for me?
What's this? Ooh.
You like the shape of it, Monica?
Oh, yeah. What is it?
Is it twist? Oh, it's
Oh.
okay. I see it.
What is this?
Wait, let me finish.
It's
open.
got a nice open.
It's hard to open. You have to like.
It's
really
got
look
a nice
for it.
open side to it.
What? Let me feel it.
I have no nails. It won't open.
What is it?
Oh, this is the cap.
Ooh.
Wait, why is there a different cap? I'm so confused.
Ooh.
What is happening? I can't open it.
Ooh, what's this? Mascara?
Oh my gosh.
Let me get it.
That's dangerous.
What is it?
Mascara.
What is it?
That's mascara. She also has purple
Did you
mascara.
open it?
No, I can't get it.
I opened the mascara.
Oh, I got it. Back
Oh,
where's your-
gosh.
Oh my gosh, guys, we're missing.
Becca.
We need lip gloss.
Where's your cheek?
Where's
Right
the lip
here.
gloss?
Right there, right there.
Where's the lip gloss? Hannah, do
Gotta
you have lip
blend
gloss?
it. Okay, where's your other cheek?
Right there.
Okay. Wait, more.
What is
Monica, what are you doing?
Your other face.
That's my neck.
This isn't working. Are we done? Wait, where's lip gloss?
We need lip. What is this?
That is mascara.
Where's lip?
Ooh.
Purple mascara.
Ooh, we should use it.
Wait,
Hannah.
I found lip gloss. Where's your face?
Oh my gosh, put it on.
Okay,
Her.
where's your lips? Right there.
That's so awkward.
I just do it.
Make it,
More.
and make
Wait,
a duck face.
More.
Ah, my chin.
Don't wipe it off. Did you wipe it off?
That's
All
good.
right,
Get
ready?
it off.
All right, ready, Hannah?
Wait, no.
Ready to unmask ourselves?
Yes, wait, let me close this. Okay, wait, I can't close.
1, 2,
Okay.
3. Let me see. Oh my gosh, you look so pretty.
Give me makeup remover.
What is on her eyebrow?
No.
What is on her eyebrow? What did you do?
It's eyeliner, duh. Who doesn't have eyeliner on their eyebrows? Close your eyes.
Blush.
I did that. Beautiful.
Alright, get closer.
I actually did a pretty good job there.
Oh my gosh. Dude.
Wait, shut your eyes for
So,
the camera.
That's
Fantastic.
this is what happens when I come over to
That was
Friend's
fun.
house.
What was I? Oh, this is my sister.
That was really fun. What did I put on your neck?
I don't even know. Something was just rubbing my neck and I was frick.
Oh my
I
god.
put so much blush on.
I know.
Wait, did she put this?
I don't know. Monica, close your
Did
eyes.
she put mascara on you?
I don't know. Did she?
No.
Okay, no.
I'm crying.
All right.
All right,
Well,
makeup remover.
Well, that was fun.
Not fun.
Bye.
Not fun at all.
Bye. Bye.
bye.
Turn it